how to put caption using Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add or put caption using Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to take a picture from the Snapchat, or you can also import it from the gallery. So I am right now capturing this picture. Alright, so after you add it or took a picture on Snapchat, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the text icon just at the top right corner. So simply tap on the text icon. Alright, so from this text section, you can easily put or add some captions using your Snapchat. So from here, you can easily add a caption. Alright, so after you type it, you'll have to just tap on done. And now from here, you can easily resize or drag the position of this caption. So you can easily put or add captions using your Snapchat on your picture or photo. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.